Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am taking you on a night point of view drive with the Citroen C5 AIRCROSS. This is the facelifted version with the new powertrain 48-volt hybrid. So it is one of the options when it comes to the Citroen C5 AIRCROSS. And let me show you just how nice and smooth the drive is with this powertrain. Now on the front you can see the nice robust grille and the front bumper, as well as the new LEDs. And we have the 19-inch gloss black wheels. And moving on to the rear, from the side 4.5 meters is the length, and now from the rear, let me unlock the car. You will see the beautiful taillights with the 3D lighting signature. Very cool. And I can open the tailgate with the button on the key, so this one. There we go, loads of room in here, and we are now ready to go on a drive. So again, today it's all about this 48-volt hybrid powertrain, which makes the car, the drive itself, so smooth. And well, yeah, let's go. There we go. This is the digital cockpit in front of the driver and the main touchscreen. Let me show you how it looks from driver's perspective. Alright then, this is the view in front of the driver. Let's start the car. And as you can see, we have the lovely layout here in front of us. The 12.3-inch digital cockpit, and the main touchscreen is the 10-inch one. Let me put my seatbelt on and let's go on a nice relaxed drive. So here is the gear selector for the new EDCS 6 electrified dual clutch automatic transmission. Put it to drive and we can start our drive. So this is the 48-volt hybrid powertrain, which means that we have the 1.2-liter PureTech that has been specially developed for the hybridization. We also have the already mentioned EDCS 6 dual clutch automatic transmission, the electrified automatic transmission, 21 kilowatt electric motor and 48-volt battery. So that is the system itself, 136 horsepower, and the car can drive with just electric power, which is really impressive and makes the drive itself so smooth. And yeah, on lower speeds, for example, you can maneuver completely electric, but you will also see that it is very pronounced in the city drive as well. So I'm really impressed with this 48-volt hybrid powertrain. And let's also mention the other options when it comes to the C5 AIRCROSS. So this car is available here in Croatia with the PureTech petrol engine, 130 horsepower, paired with the manual transmission. You can also get the diesel with automatic transmission, so it is the 1.5 liter with 130 horsepower. And then you also have the two plug-in hybrids, 180 horsepower or 225 horsepower. So those are the options. And now we will depart this pretty big garage and go on a night drive. Okay, we can go. All right. So one of the first things that you notice is just how smooth the drive is and just how comfortable this car is. So it's got the Citroen Advanced Comfort suspension. It's also got the Citroen Advanced Comfort seats with extra foam. And then when you add to that this hybrid powertrain, it really is so nice to drive it. And I could drive really for hours and hours without getting tired, because this is really so comfortable. And I think this is ideal for both the city drive and the road trips. So really impressive. Now here you can see the 3D view of the buildings on this 10-inch touchscreen with the navigation that we have here. And then you can also see it on our left now in real life, but also here very cool 3D view. Speaking about the views, let me also show you other views that are available in front of the driver. So we have this navigation view, which I really love because of the attention to details for the buildings and everything here. Then driving view, for example, there are really many options here. Then the dials, and the minimum view, maybe for road trips during the night, for example. And back to personal view. This one can be configured, so you can choose what you want to see on your left and on your right. Currently we have the revs, which are active if the engine is turned on, and then here we have the energy flow. You can see what is happening, and I think you can now clearly see how pronounced this 48-volt hybrid system is. And yeah, definitely you will enjoy this powertrain, I think. And also when you release the throttle, the car recuperates the energy, so you have this feeling that you are driving like the full hybrid or plug-in hybrid or maybe electric car. So very, very cool indeed. And then we have different driving modes. In sport mode, you have the best throttle response, of course. And there's also the eco mode. Speaking about the figures, 10.2 seconds is the time to reach 100 kilometers per hour, and the top speed is 200 kilometers per hour. So I think those are some decent numbers. And of course there are other options as well, including the 225 horsepower plug-in hybrid if you want more power. And then the infotainment system is a well-known one. More details about it during my full review during the day, so stay tuned for that. Maybe that video is already live. And if you want to change the AC settings, just press this and you go into this menu for the AC. So it is on touch, but you have it here all the time. And also you have, for example, the shortcuts. So here is the shortcut for the navigation, for the driver assist systems. And then here is where you can access the settings for the AC. So I would prefer the buttons, but I think this is pretty easy to use. But for example, for the volume, you do have the physical knob, so that is cool. And now in the dark you can see the mood lighting in here and also on the sides. I would love to see like the ambient lighting maybe throughout the whole dashboard. I'm a big fan of the ambient lights. If you follow me regularly, you will know. So yeah, I think that would be pretty cool. Tell me in the comments, would you like that, or do you prefer it like this? The mood lighting can be turned off if you don't want it, for example. And it's so nice to drive it. So relaxing. I hope that you are enjoying this night drive. Tell me in your comments, how do you like this powertrain? How do you like this car? And again, because of the suspension and the seats and the powertrain, it makes the drive itself so comfortable and so relaxing. This car also has a bunch of driver assist and safety systems, so driving functions and then the vehicle settings are here, so you can adjust those. For example, here, look at this. Electric power. And there's also the M button here, so when you press this you go into the manual mode, and now you can see also in the normal mode which gear we are currently in, and then you can play with this by yourself. But let's go back to drive. Just press the M button here again and you are in drive. Alright guys, so that was it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do subscribe to the channel, as there will be plenty of more to come, and also watch my full review during the day. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye.